भाई साहब. So now I'm. There is an observed house in Arrow Street.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here's the vlog series because now I'm going to India after 3.5 years. So I damn sure you're gonna enjoy this series, and let's go and enjoy the vlog. So here I'm just waiting for my flight, and you can see here is my flight Emirates, and I think my pilot forgot to board me on the flight. Oh wait pilot, I'm coming.
3 minutes. So after that,
We're gonna be bored and we're ready to go to India. And you know what? What is a difficult work in the world is waiting something. So yeah, in this situation, I was like, boom. But I relaxed my mind. I calm, control my mind, and then I think, yeah, it's gonna be start soon. I will be soon in India. So I just relax my mind and I'm just waiting for the boarding. Whenever they're gonna start the boarding, and here you go. My boarding is start and I'm in the queue. So I'm just waiting for my turn, and I think, yeah, here you go. And yeah, it's just a few minutes and I will be in my flight and ready to go for my home.
finally we are done.
Oh,
We
so
have
yeah,
done our
I have
boarding.
done my boarding and now I'm going into my flight. You can see there's a lot of people is ready to go to Dubai. Yeah, so I'm going in my flight. So my first stop is gonna be Dubai, and now from over there is my 3 hours layover, and yeah, then I will be ready to go for the Delhi. And so finally we are entered to our flight. So all set. We are ready to go to India after so many years. Finally. So here currently I'm in the sky of the Montreal watching a movie, and here you can see the view of Montreal from the top of the sky, and I'm enjoying my video. As we all know, there's nothing special for the vegetarian people in the flight especially, so I'm just sad with the meal, and you can see the view is one side is the night and one side is the like sunny. So now it's like 7:55 the London time, and we get our evening meal, like one pizza and one coffee. And if I'm talking about the Montreal timing, the Montreal is currently 3:55, like 3:55 in the evening, and we can watch outside. It's totally dark. We have entered in a different time zone, so okay guys, I will enjoy my pizza and I will see you later. Here is my third movie in the flight, with enjoying the night view and the night ambience of the flight, and just waiting for the reach to the Dubai. So now we are reaching to Dubai airport within an hour. So now they offer us a breakfast. You can see. So like a breakfast bowl, like a yogurt and oat cream, some fruits and whatever, water and cookie, everything cheap to go. Yeah. So that's the meal breakfast in Emirates. So let me eat my breakfast and I'll catch you maybe at the Dubai airport. So
So finally we reached our destination, like first destination, Dubai airport.
Thank you, bye. Thank you, bye.
So here's the Dubai airport. So we need to go to the connections because we need to take the flight for Delhi. So now we're gonna look it for connections. So finally we are here to Dubai airport. So अभी हम लाइन में लगने जा रहे हैं सिक्योरिटी चेक की. सो आगे देखते हैं. थक गया भाई साहब मैं तो, और ऊपर से यहाँ गर्मी. Here currently is 25 degrees Celsius, man. Like seriously. So finally we are complete our security checking. So now we are going to next flight, like boarding gate. Find our gate number. Because before that we're gonna do some shopping from duty free. Let's see what we can buy. बट उससे पहले यार एयरपोर्ट देखो, बाकी सब गला बंद है. क्या एयरपोर्ट है भाई साहब. यानी मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है दुबई में. कल बात तो है दुबई वगैरह में. भाई साहब क्या एयरपोर्ट है, लाइक सीरियसली. सो नंबर ए. तो यहाँ से अपन को सर्वे बस लेनी पड़ेगी. ये लेके जाएगी 3 नंबर ए.
So finally I have reached the zone A. So I'm going from my next flight, and here you can see everybody's came out over here.
So now I'm going towards my main gate, where I will get my flight for Delhi. इतने सारे लोग इंडिया जाके हुआ है, हम ही लेट जा रहे हैं. यहाँ फिर से सिक्योरिटी चेक होगा. सिक्योरिटी चेक करेंगे. I don't know how many times they're gonna do like security check. कोई बॉम्ब लेके नहीं जा रहे हम. But yeah, it's okay. So finally security check is done. फिर चलते हैं ऊपर. थक गया मैं, बट एक्साइटमेंट भी हो रही है. I'm so excited to go to my home, meet my family. भाई साहब, let's see. क्या गाड़ी है. बाद में आता हूँ. I will come back. No problem. So now we are at duty free.
कैफ़े लेना तो वैसे कुछ है नहीं। Let's see. भूख लगी है। I'm looking for eating something. I will get something to eat. तो डैम की मेहनत के बाद आखिरकार फाइनली आई सॉ मैक कैफे। बचा ले रहे मुझे, भूख लगी रहे, कुछ खाए पहले तो। Very hungry man. I need to eat. Finally I got my mac meal. Let's see. So now I have reached the gate number 817 where I will take my flight for New Delhi. Okay. So I'm just waiting for the boarding because boarding is not open yet. So it's gonna be open like within 15 to 20 minutes. And अभी तो मैं चार्जिंग के लिए पोर्ट ढूंढ रहा हूँ बिकॉज भाई साहब मेरा फ़ोन डेड होने वाला है। माई फोन विल बी फिनिश सून, माई फोन विल बी डेड, सो आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर द चार्जिंग केबल और चार्जिंग पोर्ट समथिंग, बट मिल नहीं रहा मेरे को। So finally my boarding is done for New Delhi and now I'm going to the flight, and you can see too many people. Maybe they are going for to New Delhi. So finally I have reached to India. So here you go guys, I have done all the security check, all the immigration at the Delhi airport, and we are reached to the Delhi, and now I'm going to Amritsar towards my city. Here you can see Indian flag. I have taken my Indo-Canadian bus, and now I will be reached at home like within 6 hours. We have reached to the Haveli, our first stop, while going to Amritsar. So finally हमने एक स्टॉप लिया है हवेली पे। भूख बहुत लगी थी, I was very hungry man. Finally I ordered 1 veggie burger and 1 coffee. My first meal in India. कुछ ही घंटों में मैं घर पहुंच जाऊंगा। So excited man. I'm tired but excited to meet my family.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਘਰੇ ਤੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਹਲੇ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਵਿਚਾਰਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਵਜੇ ਦਾ ਹੈ? ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ 5 ਵਜੇ ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਵੇਰ ਦੇ ਵੱਜ ਗਏ 7:33। ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਤੇ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ 8 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਇਹਦੇ ਵੱਲ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਣਾ, ਪਰ ਰੋਟੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਕੀ ਬਣਦਾ।
ਘਰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ
ਹਾਂ ਘਰਦਿਆਂ
ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ
ਆਹੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ। ਅੱਛਾ
ਹਾਂ
ਜਸਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਰੋਟੀ,
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ।
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਪਨੀਰ ਹਨਾ ਵੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਰੋਟੀ
ਨਹੀਂ,
ਹਾਂ
ਹਵੇਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਖਾਧੀ।
ਹਵੇਲੀ ਖਾਧੀ, ਚਲੋ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਰੋਟੀ।
ਘਰ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਰੋਟੀ।
ਹਾਂ ਕਾਰ ਕਨਫੈਸ ਕਨਫੈਸ
ਕੀ ਕਨਫੈਸ?
ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ, ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਕਨਫੈਸ ਕਰਨਾ? ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਪਾਪ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ?
ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੇ, ਦਿਹਾੜੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਆਂ ਬਸ, ਪਾਪ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ।
ਅੱਛਾ
ਹਾਂ
ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦਿਲ ਤੋੜੇ?
ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋੜੇ?
ਤੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਤੋੜੇ?
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੋੜੇ।
ਤੇਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋੜੇ? ਮਿੱਤਰੋ ਕਨਫੈਸ ਕਰਨ ਦਿਆ ਜੀ।
फाइनली हम वहाँ से बाहर निकल चुके हैं, घर से निकल चुके हैं मेरे घर के लिए। तो ये बंदा भी मेरे साथ है।
लोग हिंदी बनाओ ना जब भी पापा लिखा भाई हम निकल चुके हैं।
Now we are going towards my home. We will be over there in like a few minutes, and I'm very excited to show my family reaction.
Yeah,
You can saw. He's my city.
he's excited, but his family is not.
Why?
Because of the family.
They don't know. They don't know.
They don't know. He's
Ah.
coming to India.
So here you go, guys. So before going home, I decided to go to the Golden Temple to just look out the Golden Temple a little
This
bit.
is the Heritage Street.
Then this is the Heritage Street. You can see it's so much busy, and this is the view of the city. Like Asian streets of the city. So here you go. It's a Golden Temple. So here you go, guys. It's the temple. I'm finally reached my destination. First destination. Here's the view. So now is the street of my house. The market is not open yet because it's just like 8:15 in the morning. It's opening slowly. You can see there's many tourists came here to show the Golden Temple.
Okay, now after this years I am also tourist in my city.
Yeah, currently I'm also tourist in my city, in my own city. So here's my
Street.
main street of my house.
There is an observed house in Narrow Street.